I'm Rajat Kumar. I was not aware of CAT at all. One of my friends told me about CAT. Then I did some research about IIMs. Then I got interested in going to IIMs because it is premier schools, B schools of India. One of my seniors told me about MBAGuru, and he told me that it is a very good coaching and people are very interactive in coaching, and faculty also help a lot, and also the staff members are very helpful. That's why I decided to join MBAGuru. It was very pleasant. I made a lot of friends and they were very helpful. Also, faculty was very friendly and they helped me a lot whenever I needed. A staff member also helped me with materials. Also, some of my friends motivated me to go for a better marks, and it was overall a great experience. I was really average in all the three areas that CAT required, but after joining MBAGuru, I improved a lot and I got a very much decent percentile in all three sections. My biggest weakness was VARC, but after working a lot on VARC became my strength. I got the most percentile in VARC, 99.8 percentile. I easily cleared level 1 class seats and level 2 class seats in MBAGuru, but HL1 and HL2 I struggled a bit, and after repeating a lot of times and working on my key areas, I started getting better and better, and then I never looked back. 3 things: faculty, material, and staff member. Sometimes it felt like that I will not be able to clear the CAT exam, but then I interacted with faculty and they motivated me to not give up, and now the result is very good in my favor. Overall, it was a pleasant journey. I never felt like I was out of touch with my subjects. I came regularly, and my friends also helped me a lot, and I got through the journey with the help of everyone.